Hi everyone, so I'm going to do eye makeup today, just kind of like a everyday easy look, nothing too special, just using a couple of colours, and also I'm going to try out the L'Oreal Explosion because I haven't tried this yet, so I'm going to give that a go as well. I'm just going to use all that glitters first of all, which is kind of neutral tone. It just gives quite a lot of shimmer to the lids. Just pat it on to the eyelid area, just like that. Probably can't see the colour very well at all because my light is so atrocious. I'll do that on both. Okay, and then what I'll do is make sure I get everything off the brush, take Sketch, and with that what I'll do, just take a little bit again and just take it up at the end and out, so it's in that outer corner. Not applying too much at first, I'm just building it up slowly because it's always best to start with a smaller, say that and I take a great big glob of it, smaller amounts first and then build it up, not like I've done on this eye. It'll blend out anyway. Quite stop being. So that's just taking it in slightly from the outer edge in towards the centre, but I haven't taken it all the way. And again with this one, same thing. They don't look even at all, do they? How bizarre. I must admit I don't normally do my makeup sitting like this anyway. But yeah, that's a bit better. Okay, and then what I'll do is take my 224 by MAC and then just blend that out, and then take it right into the crease as well, just into the other section. Just so that you're not left with any lines. And up as well. Okay, so that just makes them a little bit more defined, a little bit more interesting in colour, but not over the top in colour. And then what I'll also do is take this is just something that you can wear every day to work, wherever, it's nothing too dramatic. Take the Sketch again, and then just take it along your lash line as well. Instead of having to wear eyeliner. It's a little bit easier, quicker, and less dramatic. It still gives you that effect. So make sure you get it right into the lash line itself, so there's no kind of gaps. Oh, it's impossible to do. I'm afraid I'm going to have to block your view. Okay, and again along the bottom lashes. So yeah, just makes them a little bit more defined without having to do too heavy a colour or line. It just kind of a bit more smokier, a bit more smudgy looking. And then what I would then do is take my eyelash curlers and just curl my lashes slightly. There for, I normally hold it for about 20 seconds. And then try this new mascara. I got it in black. If I can even get into the thing. So I'm finally into the mascara. And let's have a look at this one. Ooh. It's really flexible as well. The wand itself really bends. Can you see that? How bizarre. And it's really quite tiny. So I'll see how I get on with this. Okay, just make sure I don't get it on my hair because that would just be silly. Ah, actually. Okay, so you can probably actually see that's going on really quite thickly. And it's really getting to all of the lashes as well. I've got quite a lot of lower lashes there. Let's try the actual top ones. Oh, you can't see a thing I'm doing, can you? Bring my mirror across. Let me do it like this. What I'm going to do is just look down and then work like that right from the bottom of the lashes right to the very end, just wiggling it along. Okay, this takes absolutely ages. It's a really tiny brush. And it's clumping a little bit. But I can actually get to lashes that I normally can't get to. See the difference? So yeah, it's quite good. It just takes a really long time. So I'll do the other lashes, and you may just have to give this a miss because it's taking forever. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, so finally finished putting on the mascara. It looks quite good. You can see that it's really coated all the lashes. It's given them quite a good coat. I haven't spent ages on each individual lash because I would have been there forever. So it's I wouldn't use it probably every day because it just takes far too long. But definitely if it's a night out and I'm wanting to get all the lashes coated for a more dramatic eye, then I think I would use it. But daily it would just take too long and I get far too bored. Also just put on some lipstick. Gosh, in Darling, just to kind of neutralise the lips slightly. And that's it. So I'm done. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope the review of the mascara wasn't too tedious, even though I'm probably going to edit it down anyway. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.